First, I'm going to use this rice powder and put it all over my face. It's just a mattifying powder. Next, I'm going to use this setting spray all over my face. I've been learning this new foundation routine, so I'm just going off of that. This is a primer that makes my face very smooth. So I'm putting that all over my face, and it covers all my pores. Then I'm going to use this Peach Sea BB cushion. I know afterwards my face looks very white compared to the rest of my neck, but I promise you when I put on makeup, it won't look like that anymore. That's why I'm blending it to my neck, but it's mainly because of the lighting. And I'm going to put on concealer. This is my favorite concealer, is the Saem concealer. I love this stuff. I just conceal all the places I need with redness and my dark eye circles, and draw a triangle on your forehead. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using this L'Oreal Brow Gel. I've been using this for a while now. I like this black color. There you go, I did both sides. I'm going to put on two different lipstick colors. This one is NYX London, and this one is a more nude color. And I'm just layering on with this color that matches my hair. This is the Rom Ann Burnt Heart. Do this with the tissues to make sure that no lipstick gets on my teeth, and I fix it with a brush like this. Now my lips look nice and full. And I'm going to use this bright orange blush by the Saem or Samuel. Brush it all across my face like this, even on my nose. I know it makes me look like a clown. Next, I'm going to highlight my face with this pink color, this pink highlight that I've definitely hit pot now. I'm going to highlight my nose and highlight my cheeks. An instant glow. Next, I'm putting this gold glitter on my eyebrows. Makes it look nice and shimmery. Yes, we're gonna be all sparkly today. For my eyes, I'm going to start off with this blue color, very pretty light blue color, and dust it on my crease and make it a little bit thicker on the top, just how my eyes are. Make it rounded like this and clean up my lines. You also want to pack this blue color on because it is very light in the first layer. Then I'm using this shimmer. It has like blue specks in it, and putting that on my lids. Packing it on. See how pretty that shimmer is? Then I'm going to put this white glitter on my lids also on top of the shimmer. I'm putting this pink color, it's like a red pink color under my eyes. Such a pop of color. Going back to the shimmer, I'm going to put it in my inner corners. I'm going to use this NYX Epic Wear White Eyeliner and draw dots on the ends where my blue eyeshadow is, like this. Then for my eyeliner, I'm drawing it out like this, following the line of my eyes, kind of like a triangle. And then I fill in that triangle and then draw the rest of my eyeliner. It's really hard to explain without you looking at it. Then with the white eyeliner, I'm drawing it out, connecting the black eyeliner and then drawing it up like this. This is the ColourPop white eyeliner. I love ColourPop's eyeliners because they work really well. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal mascara. I've used it since middle school. Then I'm going to put on these lashes. Bam! Lashes. Now this is the fun part. I'm going to take these flowers, these baby's breath dried flowers, and I'm going to stick them on my face following this S line. I'm using a mirror to help guide me, and I'm going to put the glue like about 3 or 4 dots on at a time, and then sticking the flowers on and just repeating that. put contacts on after, and there's the look. I hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Yay! Hearts. And check out my Instagram and previous videos. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Mwah.